Hey, what is up people? Vicky from Elementon back with another quick video, and today we have a new blonde girl in the studio. Hi. So today we have Alexa in the studio. As you saw from the video title, this video is not about reviewing her or comparing her with other voice assistants like Google Assistant, Siri, Cortana and Bixby. This video is just unboxing and setting her up to see what she can do. With that being said, let's quickly unbox, in the Elementon style. This is the Echo Dot, smallest of the family of Alexa devices. You get two variants, black and white, both for as low as $3,500. As you saw, the kit is quite simple. Some paperwork, the device and the power adapter. You also get other Alexa devices like Echo Plus and the Echo Tab, links for which are in the description. Let's now get closer to see what we've got here. A small black container that's quite heavy for its size. On top we have the mute button, the action button and these volume rocker buttons. First generation Dot had a ring to adjust the volume, but for some reason they replaced it with buttons. And then there's the iconic ring light that cannot be made to change colors of your own choice. There's the Amazon logo on the side along with the power port and the 3.5mm audio port and a speaker grill at the bottom. That's what you see outside, but inside you have a lot of things going on. I would have opened it for you to show what's inside, but I don't see any screws that's projecting outside, and I'm quite bad at fixing things back to normal. You have the Alexa app free on Play Store. Right inside you have all the commands which you made so far. And then swiping to the right, we have the navigation, which is self-explanatory. And then there's the settings in which you will find your connected online and offline devices. You can play around with the preferences to match your needs. Overall, an easy to use app. With that being said, let's quickly set up this device. First things first, power up your Echo Dot and wait till the spinning blue light stops. It generally takes a while to settle down, so be patient. And then hold the action button for 5 seconds till you see the orange ring. And then open up your app and search for your device. If you are doing this for the first time, you will not see a device listed. So follow the instructions to set up the device, and then once you did, you will have your device captioned offline. Click on that, connect to your phone's Wi-Fi. Once you are connected, you will have this screen. You can connect to your home's Wi-Fi directly, but my Wi-Fi is down and thus I am using my phone's hotspot. Again, click the Wi-Fi setup option and then scroll down where you will see if you want to use this phone's hotspot. Click that and then turn off your Wi-Fi, turn on the portable hotspot, and voila, Echo is now online. Don't worry if you didn't get me. The device itself will guide you through the process. So now that we have the device set up and running, let's quickly go through some commands to see what she can do. Let's now start with basic commands. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 10:11 a.m.
Alexa, what's the weather outside?
Currently, in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, it's 27 degrees Celsius with partly sunny skies. Today, you can expect lots of clouds and thunderstorms, with a high of 32 degrees and a low of 22 degrees.
Alexa, what is 30 divided by 15 plus 4 minus 2 divided by 6?
The answer to your calculation is 5.666667.
I'm not sure if that's true, but it just did. Alexa, who is the President of India?
The President of India is Ram Nath Kovind.
Alexa, how old is he?
Ram Nath Kovind is 72 years old and was born on the 1st of October 1945.
Okay, now let's move on to some personal queries. Alexa, how are you today?
Excellent. All ready to start answering your questions.
Alexa, what's your weakness?
Any new breakthrough in science and technology makes me go weak in the knees. Only because I know it'll make the rest of me stronger and better.
Alexa, what did you learn today?
I learned far too much to sum up in a few words.
So that's it, my views on the Amazon Echo Dot. So what do you think? Is this worth the money? And do you think voice assistants will really replace the touch interface? Let me know in the comments below. And then thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel.
I didn't say that. She did. Anyways, just kidding. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And then if you feel this to be a good video, then drop a like below. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day and I'll see you soon.